Hi, I'm Andrea from the Dougherty Art School, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Pajaki. Pajakis are chandeliers traditionally made in Poland from straw and paper. And what I really like about this project is you just need a few simple, inexpensive materials that you might already have at home.
For this project, you'll need crepe paper or tissue paper, glue, scissors, string, about 20 paper straws, a hoop with about an 8 to 10 inch diameter like an embroidery hoop or a wire wreath frame, washi tape, a yarn needle, and floral wire. First, we're going to make our flowers. You'll need to cut a long strand of crepe paper about 24 to 36 inches long, or if you're using tissue paper, cut a long strand that's about 2 inches by 36 inches and fold it in half a couple of times. Then you're going to make small cuts about 1/8 of an inch apart for the whole length of the paper. But don't cut all the way through. Leave about 1/4 of an inch uncut. Next, we're going to take one of those cut strips of paper and roll it up to make a flower. Cut off a small section of straw about 1 to 1.5 inches and position the paper with the fringe side facing up. Put a small dab of glue at the bottom right. Then place the top half of the straw on the glue and start rolling the paper around it. Add another small dab of glue every few inches until you're done. Once it's dry, you can wrap a small piece of washi tape around the bottom. You'll repeat this whole process for every flower. For my Pajaki, I made about 15 blue flowers, 15 orange flowers, and 24 white flowers. Now it's time to cut our straws for the top section. I cut 24 pieces that were about 2.5 inches long. Next, cut 6 pieces of string that are about 16 inches long and tie them evenly spaced around your hoop. Now we're going to take one string and tie the yarn needle to the end. We'll add one straw section, a blue flower, another straw, an orange flower, another straw, a white flower, and finally one last straw section. Repeat this process for the remaining 5 strings. Now we're going to gather up the strings and tie them all together at the top. You can hang it up somewhere to make it easier to work on the bottom. Now we'll cut 6 pieces of string to about 12 inches long and cut 24 sections of paper straws to about 1.5 inches long. For each strand, we'll alternate between straw pieces and flowers. I did 3 strands that went orange, blue, orange, and 3 that went blue, orange, blue. Take a strand and tie it to the hoop, matching the ends with 2 of the adjacent strings in the top section. Do this for every strand. We're going to use the remaining white flowers to cover the hoop. For each, you'll take a 4-inch piece of floral wire, bend it in half, and stick it into the straw portion of the flower. You can add a dab of hot glue to help secure it if needed. Then we're going to use the wire to wrap each flower around the hoop until it's completely covered in flowers.
Now we have our finished Pajaki here. I also want to mention that some people like to make theirs using pom-poms or felt, all sorts of possibilities out there, so I encourage you to explore and see what you can create. Thanks so much for watching, and please check out the rest of the Dougherty's videos. Bye-bye.